Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
If you have stretch marks, don't worry, this remedy will eliminate them. Nowadays, people tend to use many different creams and methods in order to get rid of stretch marks, but at the end of the day, they are not effective as the commercials claims. Nevertheless, there is no need to worry, since we will present you an incredible homemade remedy which will help you eliminate stretch marks in just 2 weeks. Pregnant women are usually the most affected by stretch marks since they increase and decrease in weight abruptly. The skin is not able to adapt to these stretching changes, so as a result of that, stretch marks appear. Powerful home remedy to eliminate stretch marks in just 2 weeks. One of the best ingredients to treat stretch marks are coconut oil and aloe vera, and they are used in the preparation of this incredible remedy. The combination of these two natural ingredients will do wonders for your skin, and here are some of the benefits. You can cure 1st and 2nd degree burns. You can also relieve irritation. You will reduce the appearance of wrinkles, stretch marks and spots on the skin. You can moisturize your skin in a natural way and soften it. You can also use this mixture as antibacterial and antifungal. You can also treat dry skin with this powerful blend. In order to enjoy these amazing benefits of the combination of aloe vera and coconut oil, follow the instructions and prepare it on your own. Ingredients: 115 grams of aloe vera gel, 115 solid coconut oil, a few drops of essential oil, whatever you prefer. How to make: first of all, put the coconut oil and aloe vera in a large bowl and stir them well for at least 5 minutes in order to unify the ingredients. After that, add the essence that you have chosen and mix the ingredients once again until you get a homogeneous mixture. Once mixed, pour the mixture in a glass container, close it with a lid and store the bottle at room temperature. You should apply this miraculous remedy on the affected areas on a daily basis in order to get the best results.